Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 E400 4MATIC Cabriolet. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 329 horsepower and 354 pounds of torque, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This one does come with the AMG line, which is going to give you 19-inch AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. An AMG body styling. Also comes with aluminum sport pedals. You've got front and rear LED daytime running lights, a diamond style grille up front, saddle brown black leather interior. Coming around back, we've got our E400 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate, got a set of clean floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist. Burmeister sound system, a light brown wood trim, heated and cooled seats, memory seats, power windows. Up and in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, a 12.3 widescreen digital media display, a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, wireless charging, USB ports, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This E400 cab has 17,604 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E400 Cabriolet, check out feldmannimports.com.